Welcome to English Vibes.
Sophie, it seems like the universe really wants us to meet often, doesn't it?
Ryan, do you like going to night markets too?
Yeah, I find it really interesting. Just wandering around, looking at things, and grabbing some snacks is enough to help me relax. How about you? Have you found anything special yet?
I'm thinking about buying this bracelet. It looks nice, but I'm not sure if it suits me.
I think you should try it. Handmade items always have something unique, kind of like us. Maybe it will be a little something to remember tonight by. A small but memorable moment.
Actually, it doesn't look too bad, does it? There's something vintage about it that I really like.
Exactly. It suits you well. How about this? If you buy the bracelet, I'll find something to buy too to remember tonight.
What's the deal? If I get the bracelet, you'll have to buy something truly unique. The night market has tons of cool stuff.
All right. But you have to help me choose. I'm not that good at shopping.
What do you think about this bag? I think it suits your style. Simple, but with personality.
Really? I've never thought about using a tote bag, but if you think it works, I'll give it a shot. Should I try bargaining for it?
Definitely. Coming to a night market without bargaining would be such a waste. Let me help you.
I'm really impressed by your bargaining skills. Thanks to you, I saved a little.
Experience. You know, going to the night market isn't just about shopping. It's a cultural experience and a way to interact with people here.
You're right. Usually I shop online or in malls. The atmosphere here is so different.
That's exactly why I love strolling through night markets. Do you see that stall over there? They sell these beautiful mini paintings that look like tiny windows opening to another world.
Those paintings really do have something special. Maybe I should get one to hang at home to make my space a little more vibrant.
Absolutely. A painting is a wonderful way to remember moments like these. Which one are you thinking of?
I think this one matches tonight's vibe perfectly. Busy, yet somehow peaceful. What do you think?
Perfect. You're turning into someone with an eye for art, Ryan.
Maybe. Thank you for helping me discover interesting things like this.
No problem. What about that lantern stall over there? I've always loved the lights from those colorful lanterns.
Great idea. A lantern would make my room feel warmer and cozier. Are you thinking of buying one?
Maybe. Each lantern has unique patterns and colors, almost like its own piece of art. I think I'll pick a blue one. It's my favorite color.
I'll go with yellow for the warm vibe it creates. Have you ever thought about decorating a space with someone?
Sometimes, but I like creating a personal space to relax in. If someone steps in, they'll feel a part of who I am through each piece of decor.
Me too. Maybe that's why we get along so well. Thanks for helping me pick things out tonight.
I'm glad to have you as a shopping buddy. Now we both have little souvenirs from tonight.
Definitely. These items will remind me of tonight and of you, the person who made everything more fun.
Seems like you're more of a romantic soul than I expected, Ryan.
Sometimes I surprise myself. But you seem like someone who enjoys exploring the nightlife. It suits you, this lively atmosphere.
Exactly. I love the bustling, noisy, yet oddly calming vibe of the night market. Everyone here seems more relaxed, unrestrained. Maybe that's why I feel so comfortable.
Interesting. I usually look for quiet places to unwind, but tonight it seems like I made the right choice coming out.
So, do you have any plans for tonight or just wandering around for fun?
I was planning to explore the stalls with an empty stomach, trying out all the snacks here. If you're not in a rush, why don't we try them together?
Sounds good. Actually, I've already spotted a few stalls but didn't want to try them alone.
I just know the good spots. By the way, if you're into exploring, have you ever thought about traveling solo?
Not yet, but I've thought about it many times. The thing is, I feel more comfortable with someone along for the journey.
Got it. If you had the chance, where would you want to go first?
Maybe Japan. I'm so fascinated by the culture and scenery there. And you ever thought of packing your bag and heading out?
I have. I actually traveled solo to Thailand once. It was unforgettable because I met so many new friends and challenged myself. But now, I think having someone along could make the experience even better.
Absolutely. Who knows, maybe one day we'll randomly run into each other in some far off place outside the city.
Are you suggesting I should start planning a spontaneous trip?
Could be, but first, I think I need to get familiar with your sports stuff.
You still remember my invitation? The game's happening next Friday at 7 p.m. at the Central Stadium. Are you really going to come?
Definitely, but you'll have to help me understand the rules, okay?
I'll be the best guide I can be. If necessary, I'll bring a special rule book just for newbies.
That sounds perfect. So we'll meet at the entrance around 6:30?
Sounds good. But just to be sure, we should exchange numbers. I wouldn't want to lose you in the crowd.
Good idea. Here's my number. You can text me anytime.
There, now you have my number too. Just one text, and I'll show up like I did tonight.
Hopefully you won't keep surprising me. Just kidding. I'm glad to have you as my company.
Me too. I think we'll be seeing each other a lot more. Who knows? After the game, maybe we can plan even more outings.
Sounds wonderful.
See you at the game. I'll message you before it to make sure we meet up.